1. Law of inertia. 2. Law of acceleration. And 3. Law of interaction. Law of inertia is a law. Whatever you are doing at this time, no one can stop it. Sa sitwasyon, kagaya ng coaching na wala ng pleno, para lang yan, pa-baby girls, walang makakapigil sa kanila hanggang walang bumabangga sa kanila. The second one is law of acceleration. The acceleration of an object as produced by the net force is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force. Sa isang banda, pag tinulak mo ang isang bagay na mabigat, may hirapan kang tulak ito at mabagal pa ang banda. At pag magaan naman, at mabilis mong matutulak ito. And the last is the law of interaction. Interaction of every force, there's always an equal force but opposite reaction. In short, pag bumangga ang isang kotse sa matigas na bagay, may malakas na force na babalik sa'yo na pwede mong ikamatay. Anyway, these laws cannot help you to be safe. I just explained to you what will happen if you do not follow the rules, like low bang. That's told us by LTO. Land Transportation Office. The true meaning of global is B stands for battery, L stands for light, O for oil, W for water, B for brake, A for air, and the last G for gas. 3. Be smart. Be generous. To be safe. I'm Brian Martinez. So I'm born to be smart.